today we will be looking at a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 395 different strategies, with 125 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex indicator. And since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 294 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,047 indicators, with 437 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says profitable strategy with the most famous trading indicator. And so of course we're going to put this to the test and see if it is a profitable trading strategy. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Ichimoku indicator, the Ichimoku cloud. This one right here. This one's a trading view built-in indicator. And so you just click that one there, add it to the screen, and you're going to jump into the settings. And what you're going to want to do is go into the style, and you're going to uncheck all these selections in here except for the baseline selection here. And then you can jump in and make it whatever color you want and bump up the weight of it a little bit to make that line a little bit thicker. Then you're going to jump into the inputs and change the baseline length to 108 and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be just the classic stochastic indicator. This one right here, again, just a trading view built-in indicator. Both of these are just your standard built-in trading view indicators, classic indicators, if you will. And so go ahead and jump into the settings of this one as well. And what you're going to want to do is change the %K to 50. The %K smoothing to 25, the %D smoothing to 15, and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for when the price action crosses the baseline like it does here. And once the price action crosses the baseline, we're going to look down to the stochastic. And this is where things get a little bit tricky, so bear with me here. So you see how the stochastic has come down from the top section, so let's call the middle line anything above the middle line the top section, anything below this middle line is going to be the lower section. So stochastic has come down from that upper line, and it has made a cross between the two lines right here. Now this is a really good setup here, kind of the perfect setup where stochastic has come down, almost immediately makes the cross, and almost immediately price action is crossing that baseline right here. And that would be the signal to go long, obviously, but the stochastic doesn't always make this clean move like this here. So the rule I kind of set in place was that I want the stochastic to come down into the lower zone. I want it to make a cross, and I want price action to cross the baseline before the stochastic lines make it out of this lower section. And so if it makes the cross, stochastic cross, and by the time price crosses the baseline, but the lines are in the upper section at all, then it is an invalidation of the signal. Hope that makes sense. So once we got the setup like we have here on screen, of course that will be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. And in this case, what we're going to do is just put the stop just a little bit below the baseline. In this case, I go for at least the signal candle and a little bit more. And then what we're going to do is target a 1, 2, 3 risk reward. And so that'll put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see it takes a little bit, but we eventually make our way up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade setup, what we're looking for is we're looking for price action to cross below that baseline. And again, we're going to look down to the stochastic. We want the stochastic line to have made the cross that we're looking for right here. So you can see, as an example, the price crosses the baseline right here, but we look down, stochastic has not made the cross. This time it's in the upper zone here, and you can see it makes the cross, and then very soon after, we get the cross of the baseline to the downside. So again, that's a very clean setup right there. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right here. Again, we're going to put our stop just the signal candle, or this is the signal candle technically here, but this is the next candle. Just give it a little bit of room just above the baseline for the stop. Then we're going to target that same 1 to 3 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward, see how it plays out. And you can see again a really nice push to the downside, gets us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Now, out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 44% win rate. With the 1 to 3 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $200 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $5,600 for an overall gain of $7,600. So definitely some decent results from this one. Had a reasonable win rate and a really good risk reward. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 58 trades altogether. We had 46 winning trades and 13 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 79% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $27,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $15,600 for an overall gain of $12,000. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would have increased the win rate quite significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $27,000. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So again, we are still at the 32nd and 33rd winning trade in a row, maintaining that 100% win rate using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy. I'll put a screenshot up of the 2 trades on screen now. So that's over 2 months now. We've been 100% profitable, and in backtesting, this combination did over 200 winning trades in a row before it took a losing trade. So it's a super powerful combination. Since the elections here in the US, things have been a little bit wild with crypto, so I've just been kind of waiting to let the volatility kind of settle down a little bit before jumping back in. And so soon we'll be taking some more trades, and I'm sure we will be taking some more winning trades. Now, we are so confident in its ability, this combination, to make you a profitable trader. We're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you are not profitable within the first month, then we will give you a money back guarantee, give you back your money that you spent on the Patreon. And so again, it's a very powerful combination. I highly recommend you check it out. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.